Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to record your voice on a Windows 11 PC. No extra apps needed. Whether you're making podcasts, voiceovers, or just want to save quick notes, this method is quick, simple, and built right into your system. Stick around, and by the end, you'll be recording like a pro. First, let's open the built-in voice recorder. Press Windows plus S, type sound recorder, and hit enter. This opens the app instantly. No downloads, no hassle. Before you start recording, it's important to check your microphone. In the bottom left corner, click the drop-down menu to select your preferred mic. If you want to adjust default settings, just click Change Default and follow the instructions in settings to make sure everything sounds just right. Now, recording is simple. Click the big red button with the white center dot to start. You can press spacebar anytime to pause and resume, which is super handy if you make a mistake or need a break. Once you're done, just press escape and your recording stops immediately. After stopping, you'll see your file appear in the left sidebar. Right-click on it and select Show in Folder. Here, you can access your audio, rename it, or use it wherever you need, editing, sharing, or even uploading it online. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can record clear, high-quality audio directly on your Windows 11 PC. No extra software required. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a handy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.